My name is Raymond Chukwu, the founder and CEO of Black Technologies Advancement. I'm also an aerospace engineer with particular emphasis on aerospace medicine. Today, I want to make the connection between the upcoming Black Summit and national defense, because it is my belief that Black Technologies Advancement is probably one of the few, if not the only organization into advancing defense technology with space-based technologies. As we know, the threat imposed by nuclear weapons by rogue nations poses serious challenges to the United States and the international community. A need exists to confront these threats. Space-based defense system against nuclear weapons, now under development by Black Technologies Advancement, is envisioned as a highly intelligent vehicle capable of meeting this need. Many people will argue this is a complex task, but I want to remind everybody that the concept of transmitting electric power from space using wireless methods to convert electrical energy from satellites to Earth-based receivers with wireless power beams has been in existence since the turn of the century, so it's nothing new. However, after looking at major efforts on missile defense system technologies against nuclear weapons, both in development and those currently on the market, it was evident that none of these efforts utilized space-based applications to address this challenge, in spite of the growing interest in the commercialization of space-based technologies at this moment in our history. You can realize that the proper management of power utilization on space-based systems can potentially generate more wealth, which will make this effort more attractive to commercial applications. To reinvigorate this design, we are going to combine the application of nanotechnology, expert system, and parallel processing non-network model of the motor program generator for pursuit eye movement for the development. Further, we are going to invoke the principle governing the motor control systems and its relationship with medicine and engineering as it applies to the interaction between the eye and the brain functioning as a unit, to develop this parallel processing non-network model of a motor program generator for pursuit eye movement that is going to emulate the behavior pattern between the eye and the brain in recognizing and interpreting several objects within milliseconds in real time. Based on this governing principle, we can advance our knowledge on the following hypothesis. As we all know, when neurons of the brain are stimulated by various patterns from its environment, they organize themselves, and each of them comes to respond to particular patterns or subset of patterns. Also, remember that neural network was originally inspired by understanding of the operation of individual neurons, which led to computer stimulation and mathematical predictions of the behavior of the networks of neurons. Now, we can factor this principle that governs the motor control systems into the equation of commonality between medicine and engineering. When we do that, then we will electronically train the neural network to emulate the behavior pattern between the communication link, which is the laser beam, the eye, and the nuclear target, the brain, to perform as a unit like in a biological system. This will direct a laser beam directly to the nuclear target to destroy any activities minutes ahead of any intended action or actions. Please watch the video animation for more concept understanding. making the connection between Black Summit and this concept, we will employ the failure of blacks to embrace and benefit from technological evolution and the perspective to change the tide to demonstrate why blacks are at serious disadvantage as they have failed to harness the promise of economic stability offered by the field of science and technology. While blacks have failed in this area, they face a more complex problems in identifying blacks with any major technological breakthroughs in the 21st century technological environment, given that major technological sectors have been dominated, especially in the area of superior intelligence systems. I'm very excited about this system. I sincerely believe it will make the world a much safer place. Furthermore, it will place blacks at the forefront of superior intelligence systems, particularly in the area of defense applications. This is because every intelligent component on this concept is based upon the technologies derived from sub-Saharan African mineral counterparts. This will be discussed in much detail during the upcoming Black Summit. Please contact BTA about Black Summit and with any additional questions you might have regarding this innovation at bta2tv.com or call 408-244-7852. And thank you for watching.